Want to become a billionaire? Not in 20 years. In the next 2 to 5. Sounds crazy? In 2025, it's not only possible, it's happening. Right now, ordinary people are using AI, digital platforms, and global networks to build billionaire-level empires from their bedrooms. The old rules are gone. Are you ready for the new playbook? Today, I'm giving you the real roadmap to becoming a billionaire in 2025. No fluff, no lottery mindset, just raw strategy, mindset, and execution. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or content creator, this is for you. Forget what school taught you. Billionaires in 2025 don't trade time for money. They use 3 things: leverage, ownership, and speed. Leverage means using AI, people, and platforms. Ownership means equity, digital assets, and intellectual property. Speed means building fast, scaling faster, and pivoting instantly. AI has removed the gatekeepers. Now you can do what 100 people did alone in hours. Let's talk money. If you want billionaire potential, play where the big money is flowing. In 2025, these are the top 5 industries printing wealth. Number 1, AI and automation tools, AI agents, no-code startups, and ChatGPT plugins. Number 2, digital influence and branding. Grow your audience and sell anything. Number 3, crypto and Web3. It's still early. Build infrastructure or invest smart. Number 4, luxury e-commerce. Niche products with high margins and global scale. Number 5, climate tech and green innovation. EVs, clean energy, and sustainability. Here's your billionaire menu. Pick your path, go all in, and execute relentlessly. Path A, the creator, CEO. Build a personal brand, launch digital products or a premium brand. Think Mr. Beast, Eamon Gadzhi, or Logan Paul. Path B, the tech startup founder. Solve a real problem using AI. Build an MVP, raise funds or scale. Think Jasper AI or early-stage OpenAI. Path C, the investor. Use capital to grow capital. Stocks, crypto, startups. Requires timing and deep research. Think angel investors or top crypto whales. Path D, the product empire. Create one product, digital or physical, and take it global with bold branding. Think Gymshark, Prime Drink, or Liquid Death. Billionaire results demand billionaire discipline. You must think in decades but act in days. Build systems, not jobs. Move with urgency, but never panic. Embrace discomfort and failure as fuel. Everyone wants wealth, but few are prepared for the obsession, sacrifice, and isolation it actually takes. Your obsession becomes your advantage. So what now? Don't just scroll. Start. Pick one path. Take messy action. Launch the brand. Write the code. Post the video. This year could change your life if you move. Comment below with the path you're choosing. Subscribe for more billionaire strategies. Follow for daily tools, mindset shifts, and execution hacks. This is your moment. 2025. Your empire starts now.